gas chemistry. Myself, Dr. Suhas Gauri, and today I will be demonstrating 5 liter HN herbal distillation unit for the extraction of Tulsi arc, that is a volatile compound that we are going to extract from the Tulsi leaves. So before starting the experiment, I will introduce about the apparatus that we are going to use in this process. So this is bottom part of the distillation unit. So we call it, this is completely made up of steel. So here we generally keep the sample and only water content will be there inside, and it has 5 liter capacity, and our upper part is condenser. So this condenser has water circulation inside, where inlet and outlet of these two part is there. So inlet is there and outlet is there. So this is for to put inside solvent, that is coolant, where we are using coolant as water, and to condense the vapor of whatever the vapor is generating inside the chamber. It will pass through this hole. So from here to here it will go in the vapor phase, and inside it will get condensed. So only output will be only water. So initial is water and output also water. So in between your volatile compound and vapor phase will come out using this cylindrical tube that is made up of steel. So the upper part condenser has one more apparatus, so that is thermometer. So it has range from 0 to 120 degrees Celsius. So up to that we can measure. So for this we have this Tulsi pump. So this pump is we use to pump the water and to make the efficient circulation inside the distillation chamber, condenser chamber. So these two parts can be connected using this ring. So this ring is made up of steel. So the purpose of this steel is to combine upper and lower portion of the distillation unit, so and tightly bound using this screw. So it has one screw. So the purpose of the screw is to get tightened. So another part is we have gasket ring. So this is made up of completely silicon. So this silicon, it can withstand at 100 degrees Celsius and above, up to 150 degrees Celsius. So we are using just to make sure that no vapor should go out or get leaked from the this distillation unit. So the purpose of that gasket is to make the whole process more efficient. Now we are going to start the experiment. So we have weighing balance also. I have already have these leaves, Tulsi leaves, that we are going to use. So the weight of these Tulsi leaves is around 300 gram, and this is our base. So the base purpose of this base is to make whole water vapor to make in vapor phase. So this leaf should not get contacted with this directly heat. And other purpose of this ring, as you can see, it has some uniform holes are there, that is in line. So whatever the vapor are generating, it should get uniformly distributed over the these vessels. So it has that purpose. So now we are going to put this plate disc at the bottom of this vessels. So I am going to put now. Okay, so I have added. So for the 5 liter distillation unit, maximum we can use 1 liter of water. So the purpose of water that we are using as a solvent, it has it will make as a vapor, and that in that vapor or steam, this leaves extract will get inside arc will completely get inside the vessels, and with that arc some volatile compounds are there, whatever the present will be there, that will come through the this condenser, so that we are going to collect at the outside of the vessels. So let's, and we have this bucket, inside bucket, this is around 17 or 18 liter bucket. So we have this around 15 liter of water is there, so that we are going to use as a this water we are going to use as a coolant.
Now we will measure the tulsi leaves. First we will do the tearing for weighing. Now we will add tulsi leaves.
This is the 300 gram of tulsi leaves.
Now we are going to start the experiment. First I will take this tulsi leaves, this herb I am going to add into the distillation unit. So before that I will add 1 liter of water into the this distillation unit, 5 liter of distillation unit. Actually we need 500 ml water, but still we using little bit excess, so that we will get very easily the extract. So now I will add this 300 gram of tulsi leaf into this flask. So almost 80% of this vessel is filled with these tulsi leaves. Now I am going to add this distillation unit of upper part of distillation unit. So this has silicon pipe. So the purpose of using this silicon pipe, it can carry much hotter solvent compared to normal plastic pipe. So this is movable part, so make sure that this is completely tight, and you can see here now temperature is showing 30 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to put this over here. So we have to put in a such a way that your exhaust should come in front of you. Okay. So the lower part of pipe of condenser is connected to the this motor, that is Tulu pump. So now we are going to put this pump inside this bucket. So it has 4 this rubber base hold with vacuum pressure. So that I am going to put here. So now I am going to put this ring, which is made up of steel, into this herbal distillation unit. So make sure that we have to open this completely, this knob. It's a screw kind of thing. So this is much more efficient to hold this ring and corresponding the vessels as well. So we have to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So now this is completely tight. Other end we are going to put inside this bucket. So I will start. So make sure that whole system is running properly. So I will start the motor. So now flow is started. So it will go inside the cylinder, and here you will get the output. So it started coming. See. So you have to maintain this flow throughout your distillation process. So make sure that this silicon pipe should not get touched to this completely. This will be hot up when you start the experiment. So I will start this process. So now our process experiment is started. We have 30 degrees Celsius temperature on the thermometer. For timing, I will switch off this pump, and when the output will start, we are able to collect here. Then we will run this circular water circulation on. So this is simple 1 liter of steel bottle, and on top you have this conical shaped flask that we are going to use for the collection of Tulsi leaves extract. So we will wait until the temperature, whenever temperature will be 100, at that time it will get started. So we will start this. We will put timer. Now we will wait for to attain the temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, our distillation process started and we are getting output. So we will start this motor. So now it's continuously coming, and we are getting some turbid solution. We can consider this a hydrosol. So volatile as well as insoluble compound also is there. So now I am going to reduce the flame slightly so that we can get it extract a little bit slower and it will get more efficient. So around roughly 17 minutes took to raise the temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. So we will wait until then. Now we have completed around 45 minutes. So now we are going to check how much content we have so far received from this distillation unit. So to measure, we have this measuring bottle that is around 1 liter. Now we are going to check how much distilled water or hydrosol so far we have received. So now I will change the bottle just to know like how much is there. For that I will change this bottle to another bottle, and I will transfer this hydrosol solution. So around I will measure. So as you can see, this solution looking slightly turbid. So it indicates hydrosol. Some insoluble compound is present, but it is coming out because of this hot water. So around 300 ml is there. We will continue this process for another around 1 hour. Now 75 minutes over for the distillation of this arc of Tulsi arc. Now we are going to change one more time so that we can confirm out like how much amount is there after 30 minutes. So around 300 ml is there, but now the color of the extraction is different. It's not like hydrosol. It is little bit cleaner. So I will show. So this indicates that our hydrosol got over. After 45 minutes only. So now we will stop at this point because we are not getting no longer hydrosol. So at 500 ml, around 600 ml, we are going to stop at this position. So total 75 to 80 minutes we heated this arc or Tulsi leaves. So now we are going to stop at this point. So now we will from extracted compound. Now we are going to analyze like which type of compound is there will be present on. If you enjoy this process experiment, see you in next lecture or next experiment. Till then, happy learning.